Okay, so welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section 1374. Generate string with character that have odd count. So this question is so easy. Okay, so before I start, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so given an integer n, a return string with n characters such that each character in such string occur an odd number of times. Right, and the return so the return string must contain only lowercase English letters. So only lowercase. If there are multiple valid string, then return any of them. So for the example, if n equals to 4, then the PPPZ is a good answer because it's a valid string since the P counts 3 times, right? There are 3 P's and 1 Z, so the character Z. So both are odd, okay? So n is 2, XY is a good answer because there is only one X and there's only one Y, right? So both counts are odd. N equal to 7, you can see A is O count 1, S count 3, O count 1, L count 1, H count 1. So this is very easy, right? Just return some of it. Okay, so let's imagine that if n is odd. If n is odd, right, what I can do, I can just start from A. I can create I can create n A's, right? So if n is odd, I just return n A's, right? Nobody can stop me to do this. And then there's only one A, count n, right? So which is correct. Okay, so if n is what about if n is even, right? If n is even, it's very easy. I just use 1b, right? I just use 1b to be the last one, and the previous I just pad with a. So for example, if n is 4, I can get the a, right? If n is 6, I get a, b. Then there are 5 a's, 1 b's. So these counts are very easy. Okay. Let's start. Okay, nice. I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.